Total quality management is a new subject and it has been widely accepted within the industries, as we all know that. So let's start with the introduction of this particular subject. Now what happened is in recent year is total quality management has received worldwide attention and it is being adopted in many of the industries, particularly in the developed countries, in the developed economies. Now the main reason behind evolution of TQM is the changes in the global economy. As the global economy is changing, TQM is being accepted worldwide. And also because of the demand in the market forces. Every person wants a quality product. So in order to bring a product as desired by the customer, it is very necessary to control the quality of that particular product. This is the reason why total quality management has evolved. Although the control of the quality has been practiced in many industries for several years, the adoption of TQM as a major preoccupation of businesses worldwide is very recent. From a large period ago, several industries have adopted several measures in order to control the quality of a particular product as demanded by the customer. But the concept of TQM is very recent and it is being adopted by many of the industries, and still it is yet to be adopted by many of the industries. The traditional control method being implemented in the industries to ensure quality have not yielded the results that were expected of them. Whatever the quality measures have been applied in order to bring about a quality product so that the customer becomes happy by accepting that particular product, such a quality measure, such a quality tool has not been, such a quality tool has not been, has not yielded the results that were expected from them. Furthermore, rapidly changing technology and customer expectations have already affected organizations worldwide and thus have promoted the need for taking a new look at quality management. Large number of substitute products are coming into the market. A customer has several choices while accepting a particular product. So it becomes a necessary for a particular manufacturer to provide that particular product which is being exactly demanded by the customer, and this is possible only with the application of the concept of total quality management. Now in this particular subject we will be discussing how TQM can be adopted in an organization that are replacing existing quality control systems to promote competition and growth. Whatever quality control measures are being applied in the industries today, how total quality management can replace those particular quality control systems. We will be discussing this particular thing in this particular subject, that is in total quality management. Now, various researchers have made significant contribution towards the design, development, and application of TQM system. Now, this particular subject takes a synoptic view of the existing state of art and make an attempt to present an overview of some of the key studies focusing on the following specific issues. What are these issues? The number one is, what are the key concepts of TQM? What is global acceptability of TQM? How should TQM be implemented? For this particular point, how should TQM be implemented? We will be discussing several sectors where TQM has been applied that will come in the coming PPTs. And the last is, what role can TQM play in developing economies? TQM, the key concept. What is the key concept of TQM? TQM can be defined as a continuous quest, as a continuous thirst for excellence by creating the right skills and attitude in people to make prevention of defects possible and satisfy customer users totally at all times. Whatever the defects that could be possible in a particular product, that has to be reduced, that has to be prevented, and this is the key concept of total quality management. And satisfying the customer at all the times is another thing that a total quality management should satisfy while applying in an industry. For this, the training and for this the training of the people working in an industry is very necessary. TQM is an organization-wide activity that has to reach every individual within an organization. Now, one of the researchers, Oakland, he defined TQM as total quality management is an approach to improving the effectiveness and flexibility of business as a whole. Now, by the term flexibility, we mean here that that different customer requires different kind of a product with different kind of the quality, but the concept of the quality in the mind of the customer remains the same. So you need to meet that same concept of quality. This is nothing but the flexibility of business. It is essentially a way of organizing and involving the whole organization, every department, every activity, every single person at every level. You understood that the whole organization means each and every department of the organization. Whatever activity that takes place in an organization, that has to be organized and involved in order to at every level in order to bring about the success of total quality management within that organization. TQM is regarded as an integration of various processes, characterizing the behavioral dynamics of an organization. What does this particular line means is that TQM is TQM integrates the various processes that takes place in an organization, and it works according to the behavior of an organization. As the behavior of the organization changes, the tools that are being in the TQM is being changed accordingly to the behavior of an organization. Now for this, an organization is referred to as a total system where all the activities carried out are geared towards meeting the requirement of customers with efficiency and effectiveness. Zaire and Cementeras are the two researchers who has propounded this viewpoint by stating that total quality management is the combination of various activities and processes towards doing the right things, everything right, internally and externally, first time and all the time, with economic viability considered at each stage of each process. Economic viability is another important thing that when applying a TQM tools, a particular researcher has to keep into the mind. TQM has been based on the quest for progress and continual improvement in the area of cost, reliability, quality, innovative efficiency, and business effectiveness. One of the researchers states that TQM is an approach for continuously improving the quality of goods and services delivered through the participation of all levels and functions of organization. That is, the main function of total quality management is to continuously improve the quality of the goods and services that is being delivered by the organization, and this will be possible only when all the activities and the people who perform all the activities at all the level and various functions of an organization are integrated together in order to bring about a quality product. Tobin is another researcher whose view about TQM is that TQM is a totally integrated effort for gaining competitive advantage by continuously improving every facet of organizational culture. That is, whatever the culture is being followed in an organization, by implementing TQM, the organization needs to continuously improve that particular culture. As the demand of the customer changes from time to time, and hence the organization has to change its culture of working in order to bring about a particular product from time to time. Deming provides an operational definition of TQM, which gives a motivational meaning to the concept. Singh states that TQM can be successful only if the operational definition is translated into strategies by leadership of the organization, and which are crystallized into actions and communicated to all the people with conviction and clarity. It means that whatever the operational definition of TQM is, whatever the tools of the TQM are, that has to be translated into strategies at all the level by the leaders of the organization. And this has to be broken down into various actions, into small actions, and these actions and these activities and these strategies has to be communicated and discussed with all the people working in an organization with the perfect clarity. Then and then only the concept of TQM can be placed into the mind of the people working in an organization, and then only the product which is being desired by the customer and the organization can be brought about.